I wanna show you how to make automatic subtitles in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, you select your audio clip. Then you go to Windows and select Text. Transcribe window will appear. You just need to press on the transcribe button and the system will elaborate all the words that contain your audio clip. Click on the Creation Caption button. You will get the Caption Preference menu. By the maximum length, just put 10, minimum duration 1.2, and single. Let's create caption. The captions are created. You have to select all of them, and by the essential graph, you can modify the size or type of the text. Perfect, let's see the result. Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.